think will happen at the cross intersection of blockchain and AI?
Yeah. So I think AI is the technology that came after blockchain, right? So we have the internet, we have blockchain, now we have AI. If you think about AI, the currency AI is going to use is not going to be fiat currencies. It's not, they're not going to go through banks. They're not going to swipe a card. They're going to use cryptocurrencies.
You're mentioning AI agents?
AI agents, right? So I think very soon we're going to be in a world with many, many different AI agents. Everyone will have a personal agent. You'll say, look, hey, help me book a flight ticket. Help me book a flight or hotel. The AI agent will talk to a booking agent to book it, and they're going to transact in cryptocurrencies. At least they're going to use the blockchain technology. It's going to be so much faster, so much cheaper, so much less middlemen, so much less delays. You're going to be able to confirm your reservation within half a second. So all of that stuff is coming. So AI is going to leverage all the tech that blockchain offers, and they're gonna leverage this new money technology.
What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justinpacete back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or staking your TFIO tokens if there is room to my Elite Edge node. Either way, help out my channel, help out the Theta network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much TFIO passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. So I'm really excited to show you guys anything Theta related overall, and that's the whole point of my channel. As you can tell with the introduction and headline for today's video, we're going to talk about more specifically Theta network and AI agents, how it's really going to be helping the future of Web3 essentially. She's been thinking a lot about where AI is headed, and it's clear the next leap isn't just smarter models, it's agentic autonomy on decentralized infrastructure. Theta network's edge cloud is quietly becoming the backend for this shift. Autonomous agents, dynamic apps, real-time logic, not just tools. This is the future of AI and Web3. So essentially with all the previous partnerships with Theta network, including the San Jose Earthquakes, the New Jersey Devils, the Las Vegas Knights, you also have FlyQuest, and you also have Evil Geniuses. I feel like that's all of them in the making of this video. Those AI models are helping those businesses help influence and help answer any questions that community members may have, other players, stats, broadcasters, anyone who may have certain questions in order to find out like how that team is doing. That is what that whole AI custom chatbot is there for. So as long as those type of partnerships continue to grow, in my previous video I did break down the cost, or like the long-term agreement with, I believe it was the NRG team. So in addition to that chatbot, you also have all the other ones that I just listed. With the NRG, I believe from what I remember was a 3-year contract, about 5 million was the agreement for both parties. I don't know how that's going to be allocated between the two in terms of advertising, sponsors, and how that whole partnership will work with Theta network helping that NRG unit. But going on to a couple more things in terms of AI chatbots and custom agents, going on to GHE, with agentic tools, Theta network edge cloud chatbots can potentially perform real-time data retrieval, code execution, complex calculations, image generation, and more. This unlocks powerful possibilities such as autonomous agents that can reason and act in the real world. So having that whole reasoning aspect is huge and important, because it's basically going back to GHE's tree of thought. When individuals like humans make errors, they'll go from step 1, step 2, and then you have step 3, 4. If step 3 doesn't work, you're going back to step 2, and then you go to step 4 and see if that works, and if it does work, you go up the ladder. That is just a quick example as to how they're trying to produce these chatbots, but overall it seems like since other organizations are using these chatbots, it seems like that's a huge possibility for Theta network to just continue to onboard more sports teams. That's just my own thought process behind it. Put your own thoughts and comments down below as well. Going on to Theta network's post also, it seems like Theta Edge Cloud has now developed a suite of agentic AI tools designed to support AI developers building on Theta. These tools are a critical step to building the usability of Edge Cloud, enabling it to become the world's leading decentralized cloud. So now going on to this article, just a quick things like I said I highlighted. Here's that headline that we've noticed. It was posted on March 27th of 2025. The initial release of the agentic tool feature also supports user-defined custom tools, enabling developers to specify external API endpoints, define where these APIs should be invoked, and configure the parameters to be used. All of these on the chatbot's conversation context. In addition to custom tools, the release includes several powerful built-in tools such as web search and text SQL, which offers immediate utility for a wide range of applications. This blog provides an overview of these new capabilities and how to leverage them for building more dynamic, context-aware AI agents. And for those who aren't too familiar about what SQL is, it's just a structured query language, programming language for storing and processing information in a relational database. So basically saying, here's a stored data. If someone needs to ask a question, that's where the chatbot will retrieve that information and then answer the question that someone is asking if it's regarding anything in that data set. Some things that were mentioned in this article, for example, is custom tools, so that if you want your chatbot to have a certain personality, I believe it's like the New Jersey Devils has a personality, that is one custom thing you can add onto your chatbot. Web search tools, text SQL tool, but overall just looking ahead with Theta Network, Edge Cloud's agentic tools are the first step towards supporting Model Context Protocol, an open API protocol designed to let AI agents access external tools, services, and data sources in a secure, standardized way. Think of MCP as a USB-C port for AI applications. Just as a USB-C provides a standardized way to connect your device to various peripherals and accessories, MCP provides a standardized way to connect AI models to data sources and tools. Looking ahead, they may explore integrating MCP more deeply with the Theta Edge Cloud platform. For example, an interesting direction they would create an MCP marketplace where users can spin up MCP servers and deploy MCP server code directly to the Edge Cloud network, leveraging both hosted and community operated nodes. In this potential model, Edge nodes that run MCP servers on behalf of the other users could earn tokens as compensation for providing the service to the users of the MCP servers paying for the service. So just another extension possibility with Theta Network and their whole overall platform, but I'm hoping they don't get away too far away from their original model with video streaming, gaming, things like that. I do know that since they are with the gaming esports atmosphere with the ones that I listed before, hopefully they don't stray away too far from that. But overall, it seems like it's just the right direction. Things look like it makes sense as to where AI, crypto, blockchain is going in the near future. But as always, guys, these videos are never financial advice. Definitely do your own research before investing. Going on to one last thing, or actually two more things I do want to mention. Tensor Opera AI, formerly known as FedML, looks like Samsung and them showcase the future of generative AI on mobile devices. Tensor Opera AI and Samsung Electronics announced a pioneering collaboration which is showcased on the Consumer Electronics Show in Vegas of 2025, demonstrating the immense potential of deploying multimodal generative AI applications directly on your mobile devices powered by Samsung Exynos processors. This milestone marks a significant step toward the redefining the role of mobile technology in advancing AI. Tensor Opera AI's end-to-end platform enables developers to design and deploy AI applications across cloud, mobile, and hybrid mobile cloud environments. The featured generative AI lies in the hybrid edge cloud deployments, which combine the strengths of the on-device processing with the scalability of cloud infrastructure. And then for those who are not too familiar about Tensor Opera AI, we do know that Samsung and Theta Network has partnered in the past with Samsung's, I believe it was a Samsung Galaxy 23 that was released on Theta Drop, and then there was like coupons affiliated with those NFTs. But with Tensor Opera AI and slash FedML, it's been a hot minute since I feel like they mentioned it. So just going online or another Theta partner. Question I wanted to ask, is Theta Network partnered with Tensor Opera AI? And the quick answer is yes. They are partnered with Tensor Opera AI. If you want to go on to a little bit more of the definitions and details of this partnership, this link you'll see here is down below, along with all the articles that's referring to this partnership on the right hand side of Liner. That's really why as to I enjoy using it, especially in addition to being a Theta partner, of course. But overall, that's all I really have for today's video, guys. Thank you so much if you're an OG viewer and subscriber and coming back to the channel. Would not be here without you. If you're a new viewer though, trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links that I posted in this video, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node, or staking your TFL tokens if there's room to my Elite Edge node. Either way, help out my channel, help the Theta Network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much TFL passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta Network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. Really am excited for the future of Theta Network, future partners, any collaborations, businesses, things like that. I'm still going to be optimistic. Of course, that's the reason why this channel is still growing and people are still subscribing to the channel and people are still staking. So I'm glad to say that there's still hundreds of thousands of Theta tokens on my Guardian node and equivalent to T-Fuel on the Elite Edge node. So as of right now, I believe it could be full. I am also thankful for the sponsors that are coming onto the channel. I also would not be here without you guys, so thank you very much. Really am looking for the future of Theta though. Until the next Theta video, till the next Theta update, it is your boy Justinpacete, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.